In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Eventbrite account. We'll walk through the exact process you'll use in your account settings, and I'll point out a few things to check before you commit, so everything goes smoothly on the first try. You can do this on a computer or a mobile browser. Start by opening your browser, going to Eventbrite, and logging into the account you want to remove. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where Eventbrite stores your personal preferences and account controls. On the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Account. In that section, you'll see an option called Close Account. Click that to begin the closure process. Eventbrite will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm that you truly want to proceed. You'll be asked to select a reason for leaving. Pick the option that best reflects your situation. Next, you'll be instructed to type the word CLOSE in all caps. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, CLOSE, all uppercase, no extra characters. Then, enter your password to verify your identity. When everything looks correct, click Close Account to finalize it. Once you complete these steps, your account will be permanently closed. That means you won't be able to sign in to this account again, and access to information tied to it will end. Official Eventbrite instructions confirm that this is the correct and complete process. Before you try to close your account, there are a few important conditions to be aware of. Eventbrite may prevent closure if there are any upcoming events, published events, pending payouts, or unpaid invoices associated with your account. If any of those are present, you'll need to resolve them first. For example, if you have an event listed as upcoming or published, or if there's money still processing to or from your account, the Close Account option won't complete until those items are cleared. The same applies if there's an outstanding invoice. Those must be settled before deletion is allowed. When everything is in order, the closure process is quick and straightforward. Follow the prompts carefully. Double-check the word CLOSE is in all caps, confirm your password, and you're done. That's all there is to deleting your Eventbrite account through your account settings.